Whistler is definitely a go-to destination in British Columbia.
It's a good thing that we came early. There's only a couple cars here, so hopefully it's not that busy. We are Nat and Max, and in this video, we'll explore a place where history and art comes together.
So colorful! There's so many train boxes.
The Whistler train wreck.
Our day started pretty early to get some breakfast.
Morning.
Morning! So like last time, before we head out to our destination, we decided to stop by Horseshoe Bay to grab some breakfast.
So this is a waterfront restaurant called Trolls, and they specialize on fish and chips, but they also serve breakfast. They serve breakfast as early as 7 a.m. and that's what we're gonna get today.
Breakfast looks so good, so I got the English muffin breakfast. So it comes with a bunch of hash browns, the muffin, sausages, and cheddar with egg. Can't wait to dig in.
While I got the Spanish omelette, so like Max, it comes with a bunch of hash browns. Look at the size of this omelette. Also has some salsa on top, some multigrain bread, and some peanut butter and jelly.
I don't think it will fit in my mouth.
I think you have to remove the stick.
Oh, here it goes. It's really good. The muffin is very crispy and the sausage is very tasty. You can actually choose your meat. You can choose between ham, sausage, or bacon.
I think they have like mushrooms, onions, and everything that an omelette would have. But it's really juicy inside. It's very cheesy inside. Might not be a good idea entering a hike with a full stomach, so we decided not to finish our breakfast and just save it for later.
It's a lot.
We're gonna need it. It has slowly started to rain here in Horseshoe Bay, but hopefully we get a better weather when we get to Whistler.
Try to keep me in the lines. I just wanna go outside, take the long way home, find it on my own. But you can't control, but you can't control. Ooh, don't you know?
So, after about a couple hours drive, we are now here at our destination. We are at the parking lot of the Whistler train wreck hike. And it's a good thing that we came early. There's only a couple cars here, so hopefully it's not that busy. Ready?
But first, we need to put on our crampons.
These hiking shoes has got to be the best purchase that we've had. One day we just popped into a Winners and bought the cheapest hiking shoes that we can get. Serves both winter and summer. And plus we have crampons now.
Good thing this trail has a dedicated parking site, which can probably fit 15 to 20 cars.
Is that it?
There's a sign.
The weather isn't as good as last week. It's only 2 degrees, but it's predicted to snow today. And since it's warmer, the snow turns into rain. And although you can't really feel it on an open area, you kind of feel it under the trees because the trees kind of absorbs the water and drops bigger drops on you.
Could it be the sunset in your eyes? Could it be the warmth of the summer night? Oh, could it be?
The trail itself is 2 kilometers round trip and it will take you an hour to do it.
I was starting to think that maybe we over-prepare for this hike because we have like crampons, we got double jackets, everything, and we saw a couple of people just wearing some boots. But it turns out the trail is actually pretty icy. Whenever we do hikes like this, Max is mostly in charge of the GoPro. Just balls of ice coming down from the trees. Okay, so I think we're going this way. Train wreck site and suspension bridge is this way, and Sea to Sky trail is going that way. The thing about this trail is it's actually connected to the last trail that we did last week. It would take us probably a bit longer if we started from here. This is probably the closest encounter to a black bear that you're gonna see from us. Knock on wood. Hello. I think this is the first year that Max and I have started hiking during winter season. And I keep saying it, but it's a good thing that we bought this crampons because we would be sliding here and there if we wouldn't.
It's just nice that you have that peace of mind that you won't slip.
So before we reach the actual train cars, I think Max is gonna face one of her fears. We are gonna be crossing a suspension bridge. This is going over the Chicamas River. Ready?
Let's do this.
I said that we were over, but I can't leave the past to rest. It's so hard to find your closure when I still feel you in my chest. If we both got what we wanted and we meant just what we said.
This is not a very long bridge, but it actually still sways and you have snow on top of it. Doing alright so far?
Yes.
I think I see it. I see it.
So colorful.
So nice.
There's so many train boxes.
Cars. I think they're called cars.
Cars?
Yeah.
Train cars. There are a total of 7 boxcars here in the forest, and they are just scattered here in this section of this trail.
So the story is that this cargo train was going behind schedule in the 1950s, and then they were traveling more than the actual speed limit, and then the train got derailed and crashed. So after a few years, Whistler moved all of the cars here, and it became popular to artists, hikers, bikers, photographers, and tourists. This is one of the more easier hiking trails that we've done. It only took us about half an hour to get to the trains.
And it's one of those unique hiking experiences.
So if you guys are around the Whistler area, definitely check out this hike because it's one of the more awesome things here. It's awesome to see art and history come together. If you guys are new around here, make sure to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
Bye.